Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make a simple trumpet. In my hand you can see there is a trumpet. Firstly I'll blow and I'll show you how it works. Then I'll show you how to make this. I'm blowing air into this pipe. Observe what happens. So when I'm blowing, it exactly sounds like a shank. The seashell what we usually use at houses, the same it sounds like. But with very little effort you can actually blow this. So how to make this trumpet? So here is an earthen which we can get in the market also. So one earthen cone we need, one PVC pipe, piece of PVC pipe, around 10 to 15 centimeters we can take, and a balloon we need. So the balloon we have to cut the top portion of the balloon, remove it, and this portion of the balloon we need. So just stretch it and fix it at the narrow end of the earthen cone like this. Once we fix it, it appears like this. Once we fix the balloon, it appears somewhat like this. Now you can directly use it, stretch the balloon and blow air. It works. Or else if you won't feel comfortable, you can attach one more pipe into it, PVC pipe into it, like this. Then it appears like this. When you're blowing, one thing what you have to take care is you should not blow it like this. The position of this pipe and the other cone should be almost at the same line. The membrane should be stretched well. At the same level you should be blowing. When I'm blowing, see, observe. This membrane also vibrates. You can see, you can touch and feel the vibrations here. By touching you can change the frequencies also. You can change. And if you drop small pieces of paper onto it and if you blow, you can see how they are jumping up and down. Through this activity, what you can understand basically is a stretched membrane which vibrates, it produces sound. So one thing we can understand. The second question, what I will be asking you all to think upon is why this special shape I have taken. Why not I have taken directly a plain cylinder? I have taken this type of conical shape. If you don't have this earthen cone, you can try the same activity with a water bottle. Cut the water bottle like this, and this conical part you can use. Any water bottle of different sizes, you try and observe the sounds. Thank you.